let's go. First test of the POV vlog. The vlog mount. Although I don't know how good it's gonna be if, like, me, the person who's walking with it, is shaky as hell. Yeah. I can't like walk still because it doesn't have like a gimbal mount. It's just literally attached to the chest strap. So wherever my chest is looking or shaking is how this thing reacts. Well, it'll be interesting to see once I take it out on a scooter. Gotta put on the helmet so I don't get fined. And here we go. Let's go. Please, YouTube, don't copyright strike me for fucking singing W Dome. I think the only thing that annoys me about these scooters is sometimes the GPS just goes fucking AWOL on its own. That's some bullshit. It's like it's got a mind of its own. Yeah, so the GPS I was talking about is that stupid buzzing sound, and it basically buzzes any time it thinks you're like out of bounds. So on like a pavement that you're not supposed to go on, that type of shit. But admittedly, that's always gonna happen anytime the bike lane is like super next to the pavement, right? So sometimes the GPS just picks that shit up regardless. And then now it just starts beeping and you sound like a bozo. But it's admittedly a small price to pay, right, for the convenience. But like I mentioned in it earlier, I need to get one of these of my own. Go in a little bit, I guess. Right here. Next to this bench. Get a little point of view shot. I think that's straight enough, I guess. Okay, so for the remainder of this vlog, I wasn't really doing much talking, so I figured I might as well just do a voiceover. Just, you know, just to while some time. I just left a little bit of random footage of me at the lake. As I did mention in the previous video, I do have a shitload of footage from even during the winter and during the summertime and when we've gone like wakeboarding and stuff like that. So I will start adding more and more of that footage into the vlogs. But again, I'm still trying to learn how to, you know, paste these and do the edits and all that type of shit. So hopefully they're getting better with time. But yeah, this will be the second one. Let me know what you guys think in the comments down below. What should I add? What should I do more of? Do you enjoy more of me just talking on the camera or showing like the raw footage of the activities and shit like that? Especially like when I start adding like the hiking footage and that kind of thing, I feel like maybe I should add more of that. Or do you prefer like just the voiceovers like this if I start to use these more as like a discussion style video, right, where I just talk over like a topic or something like that and narrate like this, or narrate what was going on during the day, that type of shit. But yeah, let me know in the comments. As always, stay safe, stay healthy, stay dangerous, stay blessed, enjoy the summer, and peace out. There's still gonna be, actually no, this is the outro. I was about to say there's like a little bit more footage coming, but yeah, that is the end of the video. Peace out, my good people.
Oh my god.
Oh. Died last time. Come on, let's go. Woo. Let's go. It's those father-son moments again. Oh, but now Freya's here as well.
That if you just build great games, everything would turn around.
And then the great games point is the one that I wanted to argue against heavily, because what is the point of your console if it's not for games? Like, what is the point of having a console if you're just going to do Game Pass and cloud gaming? Like,